Hello guys, welcome to Maths with Ajokarte, and today we are going to do our part 2 of exercise 5.2. Now here we are going to start with the 11th question because the previous one's questions have been done by me in the previous part. So now let's start with question 11. Here the arithmetic progression is given 3, 15, 27, 39, and we have to find out the term which is 132 more than 54th term. So firstly, we'll find out the basic things we need. A, which is 3. B, which is 15 minus 3, which is 12. Then we have to find 54th term. So n equals to 3 plus n minus 1, which is 53 times 12. So here 12 times 53, 53 into 12. This is 106, this is 53. 636. So 636 plus 3, which is 639. Now we have got our 54th term. Now we have to find out the term which is 132 more than 54th term. So we'll just add 639 plus 132. So this will be 771. Okay, now we have to find which term is 771. So we'll just erase this calculation. Here we'll write nth term equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. Now we know a, we know d, we know an, but we don't know what is the value of n, which we have to find out. So an is 771 equals to a means 3 plus n minus 1 into d. D we know it is 12. Now we'll subtract this. We'll send it that side. So it will be from addition to subtraction. So 771 minus 3 is 768 divided by 12 because we'll send it that side. It will be n minus 1. So 12 6 times. Now 4. 12 into 4. Now here n minus 1 equals to 62 was given to us. 64. So n will be 65. So the term which is 132 more than 54th term is 65th term. I hope this is clear. Now we'll continue with the next question. Now here we'll start with our. Here in this question we have been given that the common difference between two APs is same. So we'll write AP1, AP2. D equals to, here it is D, small d, and here also it will be small d, common difference. Now here difference between 100th term is 100. So A, their A will be different, plus 99D equals to A plus 99D plus 100. We'll assume A and here A. Okay, so difference between their terms is 100. How can we write this? You can write like this also, but if we subtract A plus 99D from this, we'll get 100. Okay, now A minus A, this 99D will get cancelled, equals to 100. Okay, now we have got the value of A minus A. Now we have to find the difference between their thousandth term. Okay, so we can say A plus thousand D minus A plus thousand D. But you can see thousand minus 1, it will become 99, 999. And here also 999. D equals to x. We have let the difference between their thousand terms as x. So it will be a minus a because these will get cancelled equal to x. Now a minus a we have found out which was 100. So x equals to 100. Now we have got the answer. Difference between their thousand terms is 100. I hope this is clear because now you must remember that if the starting term of two APs is different but the common difference is same, so the difference between their nth term will always remain same. For example, it might have been 1 millionth term, then also the difference will be 11 only. I hope this is clear. Let's continue without wasting. Now here's a question in which we have been asked how many three-digit numbers are divisible by 7. So firstly, we know the three-digit number extends from 100 to 999. Now here, firstly, when we divide 100 out of 7, the remainder is, let's just find out, the remainder is 2. Okay, so remainder is 2. But if we subtract 2 from 100, then it becomes 98. So instead, we'll just add 5. So smallest three-digit number divisible by 7 is 105. And similarly, we solve it. The largest number is just 994. So we have found out the AP. Okay, so the AP will be 112, 119 and continuing to 994. Now here A equals to 105, N equals to 994 and like nth term is 994 and we know that the difference is obviously 7. So the number of digits will be an is 994 equals to 105 plus n minus 1 into d. So n minus 1 into the value of d is 7. So 7. Now we'll send it that side. So it will be 994 minus 105 equals to n minus 1 into 7. So 994 minus 105 will be 889 upon 7 equals to n minus 1 because we'll send 7 that side. So 7 1 times 7, 2 times 14, 7 times 14 equals to n minus 1. So the value of n will be 128. This will be our answer. Now we'll continue with our 14th question. Now here in this question we have to tell how many multiples of 4 are there between 10 and 250. So it's the same question, just the values are different. So the smallest multiple of 4 between 10 and 250 is obviously 12. Okay, then it will be 16, then it will be 20, then dot dot dot, and next term 250. So it will be 248. So the term just smaller than 250, which is multiple of 4, is 248, and just greater than 10, it is 12. So now we start solving. A is 12, D is 4, and L is 248. So an equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. We'll just use this formula over here. So nth term is 248. A plus n minus 1d means 12 plus n minus 1. N minus 1 will be same, and into d, which is 4. Now let's solve it here. So 248 minus this 12 equals to n minus 1 into 4. Now 248 minus 12 is 236. Upon 4 will be n minus 1. So 4, 5 times 20. 4, 9 times 36. So n minus 1. So n will be 60. So here there are 60 multiples of 4 between 10 and 250. Now here our video ends, and in the next video we'll continue with our next questions. Till then, bye bye.